Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to block templates in Google Slides using SafeDoc. Google Slides offers a variety of default templates designed to assist users in quickly designing visually appealing presentations. While templates in Google Slides offer pre-designed layouts for creating presentations, they may unintentionally limit students' creativity, encourage shortcuts, or lead to inconsistent learning outcomes. By blocking templates, educators can ensure that students build their presentations from scratch, enhancing critical thinking and design skills. So how do you block templates in Google Slides? That's where Exponential SafeDoc comes for the rescue. This powerful tool helps educators by blocking templates in Google Slides, encouraging students to engage more deeply with their assignments, fostering creativity and critical thinking. Getting started is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDoc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, simply enable the Block Slides Templates policy and set its value to True to easily block templates in Google Slides. To know more, please visit exponential.com.